New at 5:30, what expense concerns you the most? A recently released poll from the Kaiser Family Foundation finds that more people are worried about the cost of health care than, say, housing, groceries, or energy.
Yeah, so question now is, what will lawmakers do to try to help us here in Connecticut? NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joins us live from the Capitol. And Mike, are we seeing any proposals at this time?
Yeah, Kevin and Amber, committees here at the legislature are just starting to get to work, but today the comptroller issued his third annual set of recommendations. He says this has been going on for a while, so it's going to take some big solutions.
At no other time in my entire lifetime have I felt that healthcare is more in danger than it is right now.
Comptroller Sean Scanlon calling for reforms to make healthcare more affordable. He presented a report today with 38 recommendations for the legislature, including copying investments other states have made in mental health.
The problems that we're wrestling with in Connecticut are not unique to Connecticut. They are national.
The report suggests continuing an emergency fund in case federal health care money is cut. Governor Ned Lamont today signed a bill that extends his authority over $313 million still in such a fund, despite Republican objections. Scanlon also proposed studying universal health care for children. Republicans remain opposed to the idea, saying last week that we need to pass pro-business policies like association health plans, which lower health insurance costs for job creators and state residents. Senate President Martin Looney said on Face More Facts with Mike and Mike that letting people buy into a state-run insurance program, like a public option, offers better coverage.
I wouldn't just reject the label. But if you look at some of the particulars of the plans they proposed, they leave a lot of gaps.
Now, Governor Ned Lamont also appeared to voice some support for a public option during his State of the State address last week. And in his budget proposal, he's suggesting setting aside $1 million to study the idea, which he's branding a Connecticut option. From the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.